I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to unassign a character in D&D Beyond. And to be clear, you can only do this on the D&D Beyond website and not through the D&D Beyond mobile app. Also, that character must be added to a campaign before it can be unassigned and available for other people to claim. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to dndbeyond.com, and then sign into your account if prompted. You'll land on your D&D Beyond home screen. And again, you can only unassign a character in D&D Beyond through the website, and you can't do it through the mobile app. Step 2. Click to expand the Collections menu, and then click My Campaigns. And again, you can only assign a D&D Beyond character if that character is part of a campaign. Step 3. Find the campaign with the character you want to unassign and then click View Campaign. The information for that specific campaign is displayed. Step 4. Navigate down to the Active Character section, find the character currently assigned to you that you want to unassign, and then click Unassign. The Unassign Character window pops up asking if you're sure you want to unassign this D&D Beyond character. Additionally, you'll be notified that if this character is claimed by another player in the campaign, then you will no longer be able to edit that character unless you are the DM of that character's campaign. Step 5. Click Confirm. That D&D Beyond character will be unassigned and available for anyone else in that campaign to claim. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.